What are Alice Guo's primary responsibilities within the POGO project and how do they align with the project overall goals?
Alice Go's appointment helps to improve processes by bringing new ideas and organizational abilities to the POGO project. Her ability to effectively organize work and set priorities for important goals guarantees that the project timeframe is reasonable and may even get shorter since bottlenecks are easier to find and fix.
Strategic decision making. Alice's primary responsibility is to help guide the POGO project's course. Her choices are in line with the overarching objectives of providing a high-caliber product that satisfies the needs of users as she assists in determining which additions and enhancements should be given priority.
Troubleshooting and problem solving. Alice assumed responsibility for troubleshooting and resolving issues as they emerge, be they operational or technological. Her ability to solve problems. Make sure that obstacles are probably removed, keeping the protect moving forward.
User advocacy. Alice makes sure that the project lives up to the expectation of the users by actively representing their voice. Her emphasis on customer happiness is a direct fit with POGO's objective of giving its users a seamless and worthwhile experience.
How does Alice Guo's appointed impact the POGO's project timeline and resource allocation?
Alice may be able to come up with some creative solutions and new ideas, but there's always the problem of striking a balance between those creative additions and the realistic constraints of the project's budget and schedule. Sometimes more time or resources are needed to implement new strategies.
Efficient allocation of resources. With Alice on board, resources are used more efficiently. She makes sure that the correct individuals are working on the proper tasks, minimizing wasted effort and maximizing production. She also clearly understands where the team's strengths lie.
Team energy remains focused. Alice's leadership helps the team stay focused by minimizing absent distraction and ensuring that everyone is working toward the project goals. Her direction in allocating resources makes sure that human capital and time are employed effectively, which has a favorable impact on the rate of progress as a whole.
A greater degree of confidence among stakeholders is that the deadlines will be reached because Alice is in charge of several important project components. A methodical approach to resource management helps to reduce risk and guarantees that the project proceed without needless hiccups.
What are the potential challenges and opportunities associated with Alice Guo's involvement in the POGO's project?
One potential obstacle would be the team's adjustment to Alice Go's leadership style. If her style is different from the past project heads, it could take some time for the team to adjust, which could initially impede development.
Alice may be able to come up with some creative solutions and new ideas, but there's always the problem of striking a balance between those creative additions and the realistic constraints of the project's budget and schedule. Sometimes more time or resources are needed to implement new strategies.
New perspective and innovation. Alice's participation offers fresh viewpoints that might inspire creative methods to problem solving. Her new perspective on the project can highlight previously unconsidered possibilities for development or expansion.
Enhance departmental communication and collaboration. Alice's leadership may enhance departmental communication and team dynamics. This may lead to more creative and efficient solutions, which could propel the POGO project toward greater success.